What makes a Springboard Family Workshop successful? A professional development video from Springboard Collaborative. The Family Workshop is pivotal to Springboard's success. Through the Family Workshop, we leverage the power of our families to help our scholars become successful readers. And you, as the teacher, help make family engagement a vital part of Springboard. But successful family workshops don't just happen. So what are the key ingredients for successful Springboard Family Workshops? The short answer is, it's you. Springboard teachers are the ones who make a Springboard Family Workshop a success. And those teachers who lead successful workshops have 4 things in common. Number 1, teachers are prepared. As a professional learning community, you will have time to discuss and practice the reading tip before the family workshop. Take this time to work together as colleagues to become comfortable with the material. Since you will also have time to check in one-on-one with families, prepare yourself by reviewing the family folders. And remember to prepare the room for workshop. Creating an environment that is welcoming begins before families arrive. So post those charts, arrange the chairs, and test the technology. Secondly, Springboard Family Workshops are most likely to be successful when teachers greet families. Many families make considerable sacrifices to come to the family workshop. It can be daunting to practice an unfamiliar skill, aloud, in a room full of strangers. So be sure to warmly greet families and show them that you appreciate their attendance and recognize the vital role they play in the success of Springboard. Also, by greeting and welcoming families and creating opportunities for them to get to know each other, a family workshop will not be a room full of strangers for very long. Also, Springboard Family Workshops are more likely to be successful when teachers circulate and support. Take advantage of the flexible, open-ended nature of the workshop time and check in with families one-on-one. Listen and really watch families. That way you can calibrate your advice to address their particular concerns. And be sure to discuss the student action plans. The relationships you will build through these simple interactions will have a powerful impact on the success of the families. Finally, Springboard Family Workshops are most likely to be successful when teachers engage families. Remember, a workshop is not the same thing as a lecture or a meeting. At Springboard, we honor the expertise, ideas, and opinions of our families. So the family workshop thrives on interaction and activity. Since you're not the only expert in the room, you can let families work with and teach each other too. For example, you can ask them questions, encourage them to share their experience and expertise, present the reading tip, but then have them role play or try out the tip with you, and routinely ask them to discuss the things they're learning with a partner or whole group. Family engagement and mutual respect are the cornerstones of Springboard success. We believe parent-teacher collaboration is an engine to school transformation, and with your help, it all starts in the family workshop.